How to fix Roblox error code 524. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this error. So what you should do is start by launching your Google Play Store. On the top search bar you can search for Roblox and then tap on the play option right here. After that it will take you to a screen like this. And now what you need to do is tap on the home page. You will see a screen like this. Now you should tap on the more option which is right here. Scroll down and down up until you see the option of settings. Now tap on the privacy option. Now tap on the privacy option. Now what you need to do is you need to tap on app permissions and you need to give all the app permissions right there and make sure that your account has no restrictions right there. Set the communication to default and who can message me. Tap right there and tap to everyone. Change the option to everyone right here and change all the options to your friends or everyone. Scroll down and down, and if you have changed everything to everyone and your privacy and your restrictions are also disabled, then you are done. The problem is solved. Unfortunately, if you are below 13, you cannot change the settings. So you must be above 13 to use these settings right here. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.